Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a new iTunes account step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Windows PC is connected to the internet. On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and tap your name at the top if you are signed in. If you are signed in and want a new account, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then Confirm. Go back to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Then choose Don't have an Apple account or forgot it. Tap Create Apple account and enter your first name, last name, and birthday. Type an email address you can access, because Apple will send a verification code there. Create a strong password and follow the on-screen rules for letters, numbers, and length. Select your country or region carefully because it affects payment options and available services. Read the terms and conditions and tap Agree to continue. When asked, enter your phone number and choose text or call for verification. Type the verification code you received to confirm your phone number. Now open the App Store on iPhone or iPad, or open iTunes on Windows, or the Music app on Mac. Tap or click Sign In. Then choose Create New Apple Account if you see that option. If you do not see the option, look for Account or Store menu and select Create Apple ID. Enter the same email and password you created, then continue. Choose your security questions if prompted, and write answers you will remember exactly. Set your notification preferences for Apple updates and marketing emails if asked. On the payment screen, select None if you do not want to add a card right now and it is available. If none is not available, start the account creation from a free app download to enable it in many cases. If you want to add payment, enter your card details and billing address carefully. Double-check your billing address matches your bank records to avoid verification issues. Confirm your email by opening the message from Apple and clicking the verification link. Return to iTunes or the App Store and sign in with your new Apple ID and password. If prompted, enter the code sent to your devices for two-factor authentication. Open account settings and verify your name, region, and payment information are correct. Go to Media and Purchases or iTunes Store settings and confirm you are signed in. Try downloading a free item to confirm the account works properly. If you get an error, restart the device, check your internet, and try signing in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.